Is it time to buy or sell SOXL ETF? In this video, we will explore SOXL in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 28th of July, 2025. And now we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI to access free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 4th of June 2025, our system has ranked SOXL as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.48. Let's take a closer look at the exchange-traded fund's performance during this time. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 40.81% since we first listed SOXL as a buy candidate 37 days ago. This translates to an average return of 1.1% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is positioned within the midst of a strong upward trend in the short term, and indicators suggest further increases within this trend. The current 3-month trend forecasts a potential change of 123.19% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging between 114.73% and 139.29%. Analyzing the longer term, our 12-month assessment reveals a projected change of negative 42.87%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 95.48% and negative 42.42% over the coming year. In current terms, this would place the future price within a range between $1.22 and $15.48. Our latest daily update for SOXL includes the headline, Green Day on Monday for SOXL ETF after gaining 5%. The SOXL ETF price increased by 5% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 28th of July, 2025. The price rose from $25.60 to $26.88. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 2.49%, with a day low at $26.34 and a day high of $26.99. The price has seen ups and downs during this period, resulting in a gain of 1.43% over the last 2 weeks. Volume also increased on the last day along with the price, a positive technical sign, with a total of 21 million more shares traded than the day before. In total, 87 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to approximately $2.33 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $45, while the lowest price was $7.23. Currently, the price is 40.27% or $18.12 below the 52-week high and 92.89% or $351.36 below the all-time high reached on the 26th of November, 2020, when the price peaked at $378.24. Recent developments surrounding SOXL, the Direction Daily Semiconductor Bull 3x Shares ETF, indicate a potential revival in the semiconductor market. Following the passage of significant legislation dubbed One Big Beautiful Bill, there seems to be renewed investor interest in semiconductors, which could buoy SOXL in the short term. This momentum is supported by a surge in demand driven by advancements in artificial intelligence technology, especially with the anticipated growth stemming from launches like Grok 4. In addition, current market dynamics show that semiconductor stocks are experiencing a rally, although the distribution among tech stocks is varied. This uneven recovery could lead to volatility, yet it presents opportunities for tactical positioning in SOXL, especially for risk-tolerant investors. With buy signals accumulating and options positioning indicating potential upward movement, short-term investors might find favorable conditions to take advantage of price increases. However, it's crucial to recognize that SOXL, being a leveraged ETF, carries inherent risks due to its volatility. The nature of leveraged funds makes them unsuitable for long-term holding given their sensitivity to market corrections. In summary, while short-term prospects for SOXL appear promising due to legislative support and rising artificial intelligence demand, investors should remain cautious, The rapidly shifting landscape could create both opportunities and risks, emphasizing the importance of active monitoring. The following signals have been identified for SOXL. The SOXL ETF holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the ETF. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between the two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. During downward corrections, support is expected at levels around $26.43 and $24.56. A drop below any of these levels could trigger sell signals. Notably, volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, July 21, 2025, and to date, it has decreased by 2.25%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 6 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 152 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 56 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal 55 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 35 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal 28 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SOXL. On the downside, the ETF finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $25.11 and $21.64. There is a natural risk involved when an ETF is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the ETF then may fall to the next support level. In this case, SOXL finds support just below today's level at $25.11. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $21.64 and $20.58. This ETF has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the ETF moved $0.655 between high and low, or 2.49%. For the last week, the ETF has had daily average volatility of 4.20%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SOXL. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SOXL is at $27.03. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the exchange-traded fund, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SOXL encounters its first support level at $25.11. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $25.64, reflecting a decline of 4.6%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits moderate daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. A sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified 5 days ago. Is the SOXL ETF a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for the SOXL ETF to perform well in the near future. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 29th of July, we anticipate that the SOXL will open lower by approximately 145 thousandths of a dollar, starting at $26.74. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.